Hello again, my friends, and good morning to you. We are going to start with our letter, keyword, and sound on our large sound card. So let's get started. If you remember those motions from yesterday, I want you to give them a try today. Are you ready? I itch it. R rat B bat b. C cat k. L lamp O octopus ah. S snake s. H hat h. V van v. A apple a. E ed e. K kite k. N nut n. Q u queen qu. M man m. D dog d. W when w. U up X fox x. Y yellow y. Z zebra z. F fun f. J jug j. T top t. P pan p. And G game g. Awesome job, my friends. I hope that makes Fundations a little bit more fun for you. We're going to look really quick at our standard cards. We're going to do a few of those while I lost Echo, but that's okay. We know how to do these without Echo. Not sure where baby Echo went, but that's okay. So we're going to start off with some of the ones that are a little bit trickier. Q, U, queen, qu. V, van, v. I itch, it. X, fox, x. E, ed, e. And N, nut, n. Excellent job. So we're going to look at our vowel extensions. So I love the vowel extensions, guys, because it just helps you remember and put that little bit of that little bit of length to the vowel. So we're going to start that. And we might get Mama Echo to help us today because Baby Echo has flown away for a little bit. So we'll get Mama Echo to help us. Remember, it's my turn first, and then you echo me. A, apple, I. Your turn. E, ed, e. I itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Fabulous job, my friends. You are professionals at that now. You're doing such a great job. So now what we want you to do is go to your Seesaw, the assignment page. There's a template there for you to work on with your CVC words. And if you get a chance to pull this up again and practice it some more, we would love for you to do that as many times as you can because we are going to be so busy when you come back tapping out words, making words, writing more sentences. You guys are going to be moving along so quickly. We're so proud of what you've done so far. So keep up the good work, my friends. I'll see you next time on Fundation.